ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோவில் ஏர்போர்ட்டில் பேசக்கூடிய சின்ன சின்ன வாக்கியங்களை நாங்கள் இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்கோம். இதை நீங்கள் டெய்லியும் பேசி ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்களும் ஈஸியாக இங்கிலீஷ் பேசலாம். இந்த சேனலுக்கு நீங்கள் புதுசுன்னா இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். வெல்கம் டு மீவிங்ஸ் இங்கிலீஷ் கான்வர்சேஷன். வேர் ஆர் யூ ஃப்ளையிங் டுடே? லாஸ் ஏஞ்சல்ஸ். What time is the flight? It's at 6:30 p.m. Do you have your passport? Yes, I checked twice. Where is the boarding gate? Gate number 12. How much is the ticket? Around rupees 300. Can I get a window seat? Sure, let me check. Is this bus going to Delhi? Yes, it leaves in 10 minutes. How long will the journey take? About 5 hours. Where can I get a taxi? Right outside the station. I need to cancel my booking. Let me help you with that. What is the best way to reach the hotel? Take a cab or metro. Is there Wi-Fi on the train? Yes, but only in premium class. Can I keep my luggage here? Yes, overhead or under the seat. Do I need a visa for this country? Yes, apply online. What is the check-in time? Usually 12 p.m. The train is delayed. By how much? Is it a direct flight? No, one stop at Dubai. Let us take some photos. Great idea. This view is amazing. Can you guide me to the nearest ATM? Yes, it's across the street. I am feeling a bit jet lagged. Try to get some rest. This place is beautiful. Totally worth the trip. Can I get a window seat, please? Sure, here is your boarding pass. Where is the baggage claim area? It's right after customs. How long is the flight? About 3 hours. Is there a shuttle service to the hotel? Yes, it runs every 30 minutes. Can I have a city guide brochure? Of course, here's one. Where can I rent a bike? There is a rental shop near the park. Is tipping expected here? Usually 10% in restaurants. What time does the market open? At 8 a.m. every day. Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Try the olive tree just around the corner. Where is the nearest bus stop? Just around the corner. How much is a ticket to the city center? It cost $3. Can you help me find this hotel? Sure, it's 2 blocks away. What time does the train to the airport leave? At 4:30 p.m. Is breakfast included in the room? Yes, it's served until 10 a.m. Do you have a map of the city? Yes, here you go. Where can I exchange the currency? At the bank near the station. I would like to book a taxi, please. No problem. I will call one now. Is Wi-Fi available in the hotel? Yes, free Wi-Fi for guests. What's the best way to get the museum? Take the number 5 bus. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.